Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering on your Bose product and putting it in pairing mode. This ensures the app can detect it immediately. Open the Bose app and enable Bluetooth on your phone because the app uses Bluetooth to configure device settings. When the app asks for location or Bluetooth permissions, grant them so discovery works reliably. Once done, tap Add Device and select your model from the list. This begins the guided connection and avoids manual network steps. Once your device appears, follow the pairing prompts and confirm any PIN or code shown on screen to validate the connection. The app will often check for firmware updates. Install them now to fix bugs and enable new features because updates improve reliability. Next, personalize your device. Set button behavior, noise cancellation levels, and link a voice assistant. Make sure to test audio playback and call quality within the app to verify settings took effect. Finalize by signing into your Bose account to backup presets and sync settings so you can restore them later. Test features like multi-point pairing and spatial audio to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, first reboot both headphones and your phone and retry pairing. This clears transient Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, reset network/Bluetooth settings on your phone or perform a factory reset on the device only after trying these steps, because resets erase customized settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.